everybody, Kai here from Shits and Giggles. I'm super excited tonight to show you this great recipe. It's going to be a bacon cheeseburger tortilla pie. Make sure you stick around to the end to see this to the finish. You're gonna love it. So guys, here's how we're gonna start this awesome recipe. We've got 2 large tortillas that we're going to put cheese in between it. Right now I'm just using the cheese slices for that layer, and then I'm gonna use some mozzarella and cheddar mixture on top. You can use any cheese you want, doesn't matter. I'm gonna bake this at 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. So here we have our ground beef. We're gonna brown it. We're gonna add some diced onions. We're gonna add some bacon. You can chop it nice and fine if you want. I'm gonna add a little mixture here too of onions and jalapeno peppers to give it a little bit of heat. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. If you don't like the heat, just leave it like it is without the jalapenos. We're gonna add some ketchup. About 1/4 cup of ketchup. We're gonna add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We've got some garlic. About 3 cloves. Don't forget the secret ingredient, mustard. Again, about 1/4 cup. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of beef stock. All right guys, so our ground beef is done. We are just gonna put this, ooh, that's a little bit hot. I just took that out of the oven. We're gonna put the mixture right on top here. I'm just gonna add some tomatoes on top of that. And some pickles. I love pickles, so I put a few extra on there. And then I'm just gonna throw some more cheese on it.